Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve budgeting for investments with Quicken. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Quicken application on your device. Once the application loads, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the investing section in the menu. Click on Portfolio to view your current investments. To create a budget for investments, find the budget option in the main menu. Select Create New Budget. Choose a time frame for your budget, such as monthly or yearly. Next, enter your expected income from all investment sources. After that, allocate funds to each investment category. Consider including categories like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Enter your anticipated expenses related to investments as well. Make sure to account for any trading fees or management costs. Once all data is input, review your budget for accuracy. Check if your income exceeds your expenses for a balanced budget. If needed, adjust the figures to maintain a healthy investment budget. Click Save to store your new budgeting information. Regularly review your budget to track performance. Use Quicken's reporting features to analyze your investment growth. Update your budget as your financial situation changes. Take advantage of Quicken's alert features for important investment reminders. With consistent monitoring and adjustment, you'll improve your budgeting for investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.